Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you the cheapest lens in the market, either for Canon, Nikon, Fuji, Sony. Yeah, I don't think, but Fuji, I don't think if they have the 50 uh, cheapest lens. But today I'm gonna show you that we have here the Nikon 50mm f1.8D. It's a very cheap lens that you can purchase for your portrait photography. Yeah. So I suggest if you are a beginners for in the camera, and then if you want to have a good portrait lens with a cheap price, so check guys the 50mm f1.8 of the Nifty 50. So again guys, this Nikon 50 1.8D, I got this yesterday for the trip market. So I got this around $2, I think. Yeah, for $2 I have the Nikon 50 1.8 D. So I put it in our Fujifilm S5 Pro. It's a Nikon mount, X mount, and it become automatic. Actually, when you have a 5, 6, 3, 2 series of lens, camera, sorry, or DX, it will be manual focus. But here, because this is the D series, but when you put in the semi-pro body, so it become, you can select as auto. So ayan, let's try to take some sample photos with this lens, the 51.4 or the Nifty 50. So again, if you have any Canon cameras like EF mount or RF mount, check the 50mm f1.8 for Nikon and also for other brand. So yeah, let's go and take some sample photos with this lens, Nifty 50. Jo, jo. Okay, thanks. Why is Alan?
يا ابني فبراير او 25 26 ويوم 8 كان الاسراء والمعراج.
How are you, my friend? Wallah, miss you, my friend.
خلاص
Nasim, no? Pare, just stand there, pare. Okay. Valeu. Wala, 7K di lenser, ah. For today's vlog guys, again, if you are new to photography and if you are new to your camera, consider to purchase a Nifty 50 or 50mm if you want to take portrait shots with your camera. If you are either Nikon, Canon, or yes, just check the 50mm f1.8. You can find anywhere or like all your local dealers. Again, check 51.8, either Canon, Nikon, or Fuji or Sony. This is the cheapest portrait lens, the 50 1.8. So again, I got mine in Trip Market for around $2. But again, if you want a new, you can check our website. If you are a Sony user, Canon, and yeah, Nikon, you can come visit us here in AAB World Mega Store showroom, and we have all the 50mm or the Nifty 50, depends on the camera that you will use. So yeah, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, thank you and mabuhay.